Do you know that Indian education system is the second largest in the entire world? Because of COVID-19, government had to take a decision to shut down the entire system. And in last 2 months, how it has affected the entire system, that is what I'm going to share with you in today's video. 5th March 2020. Indian government shut down all the schools and colleges. Reason being COVID-19 positive cases in India. This was the phase when students were already appearing for their exams. School were closed in the middle of examination. There was no clarity when it will reopen. Education board had to take a decision. They passed the students based on their previous records, but there was still no clarity on the board examination of 10th and 12th. New sessions in India begins in the month of April, but April turned out to be a complete lockdown month. Then what was the way out? E-learning. E-learning was the only way out. But was India ready for it? The answer, again, we didn't know. Before this, out of the 126 million private schools, only 5% with higher fees bracket were actually practicing e-learning. 113 million government schools, almost no school ever practiced e-learning. But as somebody rightly said, adaptation is a profound process. It means you figure out how to thrive in this world. And this is what Indian education did. They adapted. A small device, possibly with internet connection, was good enough. Almost no schools to all schools. All students were provided e-learning sitting at home. After coordinating with parents, private school teachers came out with the schedule and the manner to conduct this e-learning classes. After initial hiccups, the classes seems to be going smoothly now. When I checked with one of the private school teacher regarding the reaction of parents and the kids, her answer was actually quite impressive.
Hi, my name is Priya Kikla. I'm an IB-PYP and a CI mathematics teacher. Today I'll be answering your question about e-learning. With this, the children are enjoying like anything. The PE teachers, the science teachers, the maths teachers, language teachers, art teachers and music teachers have all come together to have wonderful learning for the children. The children are not missing out on anything. It's like having a school at home.
But what about government schools? When number of families owning a smartphone or having an internet connection was very low. Delhi government came out with a decision of sending 5.7 lakhs SMS and IVR on daily basis to the parents of the students till 8th standard. For 9th to 12th standard, they offered free internet packages for students to attend online classes. Government now also plans to telecast its online classes on free-to-air TV channels. Can e-learning be a 100% alternative to a real school? We don't know. But is e-learning helping Indian students to stay connected with the academics? The answer is yes. Let's hope to see the end of this pandemic very soon, so that kids get to do what they do best in the real school. My name is Akshit, and if you have any point regarding the e-learning adoption in India, please leave your comments down. Thank you. Stay connected. Stay safe. Namaste.